Well, now, after learning the basics of HTML, we simply want to install some extensions. On the sidebar here, what you want to do is to click on extension. First, you move your mouse on it so you can identify the name of the icon you're clicking on. So look for the one which says extension. You may need to be connected to the internet to download these extensions I'm about to show you. And these extensions just allows us to make our work much better generally. Okay, it's just a feature that makes our coding more easy. And this extension which I want to simply install is simply called Prettier. Okay, so in the extension box there, just type Prettier. Now this Prettier extension makes our code looks pretty, as the name says, right? So this is the Prettier. You might want to click on it, and here is it. So once you are right here, what you simply need to do is to install this Prettier. I have it installed already, which is why you don't see install here. Again, it's just simply allows you to format your code in a way that looks beautiful to read. So for example, once this is if you look at my code here, well, I simply already used Prettier to make it look nice. Okay, so for example, let me just show you how it works. If I Control S, for example, there is a certain place where this Prettier is actually taking place. I don't know, but if you Control S, you just reformat your code and everything looks okay. For example, this image tag, which is a self-loading tag, right? If I Control S with Prettier, it's just add this / for me right there. Okay, now it doesn't matter, it's still a self-loading tag, and it just generally makes your code look good. Okay, now once you already installed the Prettier extension, we need to configure it. So to do that, you need to go to settings, and to go to settings, just press Ctrl and a comma. Hold down Ctrl and press comma. Now this is going to open the settings of VS Code for us, and here we just simply need to set the default formatter. That is, anytime we Ctrl S, we want to save our work and also format our code at the same time. Okay, so what you do in the search box there, just search for format, and this is going to show this different formatting. What you just simply need to do is to look for this option that says default formatter, and in the drop down you select Prettier. Okay, so by default mine is already selected, so just make sure you open up the drop down and look for Prettier code formatter and select it. Okay, now once this is selected, that's just simply all. You can close it. Anytime you're simply writing your code, okay, you can rearrange it by pressing Ctrl S. So that's all.